Here we are with the JBL Endurance Peak 2 headphones. Now let's take a look at the box. So there you go. So straight away you can see it's IPX7. So that's sweat and water proof, which is really great. You can actually put these under water when you're working out, which is great if you're into fitness. Here's a bit more information about it, which we'll go through into shortly when we actually unbox them. Again, the standard JBL packaging. As you can see, we'll go through some of those features shortly as well. So let's take a look and see what comes actually in the box. So there you go. So there's the pebble shape and the headphones separately. So let's take a look at these. So as you can see, the pebble's quite big compared to other JBL headphones. So if you're looking at actually putting this in your pocket, I'd say it's quite big. See, there it is compared to my hand. That being said though, I do love the style and love the design. So there it is there, and you can just pop that open by pressing the button just there. Like so. We'll come back to that in a moment. Let's see what else comes in the box. So there's the headphones. It comes with as well. So I'll take these out individually. Now as you can see with the headphones, they have the hook, which hooks across the ear. Now I love this hook because as we're going to go and show when we actually test these out in the field, the hook works really, really well. It actually locks into your ears. So you can push it out there, put it into your ear, and then lock it down. And it actually fits really, really well. Anyway, we'll have a look at these shortly. We'll just continue the unboxing and see what else comes in the box. So it comes with a USB-C charging point, so you can charge it from your power point. It also comes with other tips as well. So if you find it doesn't work in your ear very well, you've got different tips which you can use. Now it comes with the standard JBL manual, so you've got the quick start guide on how to use it, the warranty, and the all the product information there as well, which is quite standard with JBL. Now, the one thing I love about these is the battery life. So in the case here, you get 24 hours charging in the case, and with the headphones, you get 6 hours charging each headphones. Now these use Bluetooth 5.0 as well, which is really handy. And they're as easy as, you just clip open the case there, you pop the earbud in there like so, like that, and it starts charging straight away, like that. Now, this whole thing weighs 26 grams. The earbuds are quite light as well. Now, the great thing with these as well is they're dual connect. So that means that if you pick up one earbud and it connects, you can then use this to play music, listen to calls, etc., which is really handy. And you can also use individual ones for your hands-free calls and your assistants, say your Google or your Siri assistants too. They work really, really well. So, all in all, as you can see, they're great earbuds. So now we're going to go and jump across and talk through